It is worse in Africa because you are a foreigner. To you people who don't travel, I wish one day you can travel to other places and see how you become being treated in those countries. They respect you as if you've fallen from the sky. Certain things they do it for free because we're coming from South Africa, you're a foreigner. But in South Africa, a foreigner is our enemy number one. But that person must be black. But if you are in Italian, I can even work for you because I work for Italian. I don't work for a foreigner. You understand that? These things, I don't know ukuthi sizozikhuluma kanjani kodwa kuyafona ukuthi sizikhulume ukuthi sinenkinga ukuthi what is a foreigner and what is a citizen ngoba sinabantu nokufuza ukuthi ngabe kade baba nobuzo base South Africa abana 15 years, 18 years, 20 years in South Africa. Kunabantu lana owazi kahle ukuthi even nawe ngathiwa goduka kanye naye. One week in Phila ngasinenzeki. 1 week in Goma. Southeast of Congo DRC, 1 week is too much. In Goma, very few people are back at double stories with glasses, with swimming pools. People back at izinto abazolala kuzona manje badlule manje badlule manje. Engisho ukuthi ezinye izinto ezenzekayo eSudan that makes them foreigners in other countries who cannot go there and being killed by Arabs. There are foreigners in South Africa and other countries as well. And okwenza ukuthi kube nzima ukuphila kwiborder yase South Sudan and Sudan 1 week. Border of Cameroon and Nigeria 1 week. We don't talk about it, but we have to understand what makes a foreigner, what makes a citizen. But who is a foreigner? A foreigner is an African, but a white man is a Japanese. He's British. He's British from England. You even wish to speak like him, but you can never be an English person. He's an American. He's from America, but he's not a foreigner. No, I've got a friend from America. You see all those people are my homies. Because you're speaking to an American guy. Yeah, we are South Africans in South Africa. This is Babu Dr. Bayososo. Ngifuna ukuthi yabona la makhandlela ngwabekela. Amakhandlela umsebenzi. I want you to go and buy leli khandlela leli. Le khandlela leli. Lana ngizokwenzela umsebenzi. Uma usutholele